Hey, I'm Vlad, and this is one of our GlobMarble vibration tables, almost ready to be shipped out. And this is how you're going to get it. It's screwed down onto the pallet so it doesn't move around. And so what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew that table, put it on a flat, level surface, and bolt it down onto the floor. Because this motor is no joke. Even though this is one of the smaller models we sell, the motor will start moving around this big, heavy steel table through the vibration. You want to have it bolted down just to make a safe work environment and also to avoid all the noise that's going to make. No assembly is required on your part. The motor is assembled. The on-off switch is here. It's connected to the speed controller, and all you have to do is connect your power source to your speed controller. Both switches have to be on, and I recommend putting the speed all the way up when you're just turning it on and then lowering it to whatever vibration speed you need. So let's turn it on. Now, I don't recommend vibrating any more than 1 minute, because if you vibrate too much on your concrete, what ends up happening is the very heavy particles start going down, sinking into the mold, and the light, small particles start coming up to the top. You don't want that. You just want to get rid of the bubbles. So here at GlobMarble, we make these vibration motors very easy for you guys to use. And just make sure that every so often you check that all of those bolts and nuts are tight, because this is a vibration motor. That vibration could loosen some of the bolts up. Make sure it's all tight, and it's going to work perfectly for a very long time. So I'd like to thank you guys on your purchase, and I'm also going to suggest that you guys check out the rest of the GlobMarble YouTube channel, where you can learn a bunch of new tips, tricks, and other stuff, different techniques that you could use this vibration table with. Thanks for watching, and again, examples of me actually using this vibration table in a work setting can be found on the GlobMarble YouTube channel.